Mga kaibigan, nandito ako sa tinatawag nilang Bionic Bar. Yan. Yan. Bionic Bar. So, ito po ay matatagpuan dito sa Quantum of the Seas. So, makikita nyo mamaya. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo. Pero kakaiba po ito. Okay, so yes, try natin to. Mga kaibigan, na scan yung ating sipas. So bubunutin ko na po yung sipas ko. I-scan ko dito. Place your card on here. So please type your birth year. Oh my. So kailangan ita-type ko raw. Basta 19. Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo. Okay? So yun. Confirm. Yes. So ngayon, so drink na ako So bionic signature. So what am I going to? I just try island breeze. I don't know what's quantum leap. I just try quantum leap. Huh? So these are the ingredients, boys. So this is a rating 4.3. So I'll just say add to cart. Yes. Yeah. Oh my, $0, Order. Whoa, look at that. So, your name's already. My name is already there. So after you clap on your... Is it mixing wine? Oh, number 1. Oh, wow. Look at that, very smart. Oh my Lord. Yes. Wow. Then I have to put my card here. I have to put my card. Whoa! And look at that, boys. Whoa! Whoa! Thank you very much. Look at that. There you go. My drink is in my hand now. Wow. That's high technology, boys. Look at that. Malinamnam. This is the quantum leap. Alright. Thank you.